Hello everyone, you are welcome to how to evaluate this very nice expression 2004 squared minus 2010 times 2004 squared plus 4008 minus 3 times 2005. All this divided by 2001 times 2003 times 2006 times 2007. So let's start. This expression can be rewritten as this 2004 squared remains the same 2004 squared minus this 2010 is same as 2004 plus 6 times this 2004 squared remains same 2004 squared plus this 4008 can be written as 2 times 2004 minus 3 times this 2005 can be written as 2004 plus 1 and all this divided by this 2001 can be written as 2004 minus 3 times this 2003 can be written as 2004 minus 1 times this 2006 can be written as 2004 plus 2 times this 2007 can be written as 2004 plus 3. Now we suppose that let x is equal to 2004. So the expression will become x squared minus x plus 6 times x squared plus 2 times x minus 3 times x plus 1. All this divided by x minus 3 times x minus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3. Further simplify, this will become x squared negative times x negative x and negative times 6 negative 6 times this expression x squared plus 2 times x minus 3 times x plus 1. All this divided by the denominator remains the same x minus 3 times x minus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3. Next, now this expression is factorable. We write this x squared and we break this negative x into two terms, negative 3 times x plus 2 times x minus this 6 times this expression is also factorable. We write this x squared and we break this 2x into two terms, plus 3 times x minus 1 times x minus this 3 times this x plus 1 and all this is divided by this denominator remains same x minus 3 times x minus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3. Next, from these two terms x squared minus 3x we can factor out x. In bracket left x minus 3. And from these two terms, 2x minus 6, we can factor out plus 2. In bracket left, x minus 3 times from these two terms, x squared plus 3x, we can factor out x. In bracket left, x plus 3. From these two terms, negative x minus 3, we can factor out negative 1. In bracket left, x plus 3 times this x plus 1, and all this is divided by this denominator remains same, x minus 3 times x minus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3. Next, from this expression we can factor out x minus 3. So x minus 3 as common factor, and in bracket left this x and this plus 2. Bracket left x plus 2 times from this expression we can factor out x plus 3. So x plus 3 as common factor, in bracket left this x and this negative 1. In bracket left x minus 1 times this x plus 1, and all this is divided by this denominator remains same, x minus 3 times x minus 1 times x plus 2 times x plus 3. Now this expression x minus 3 will be cancelled out with this expression x minus 3, and this x minus 1 will be cancelled out with this x minus 1, and this x plus 2 will be cancelled out with this x plus 2, and this expression x plus 3 will be cancelled out with this x plus 3, and we are left with only this expression x plus 1. And from here we recall that we have supposed that x is equal to 2004. We have supposed that x is equal to 2004. So this expression will become 2004 plus 1, and this is equal to 2005. So this is the simplest form. This is the final answer of this problem.